मूढ़े भरद्वाजमीमं भरद्वाजं बृहस्पते जातो जदुक्त्वा पीतरो भरद्वाजस्तत्स्त्वयं. Foolish woman, Bhara, just maintain. Dvajam, although born by an illicit connection between two. Imam, this child, Bhara, maintain. Dvajam, although born by an illicit connection between two. Brahaspati, O Brahaspati, Jato, left, Jat, because, Tva, having said, Pitaro, both the father and mother, Bharadvaja, by the name Bharadvaja, Tataha, thereafter, Tu, ended, Ayam, this child, Aishisu, Mudhe Bharadvajamimam Bharadvajam Brahaspati Jatu Jadukta Pitaro Bharadvajastastvayam. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Brahaspati said to Mamata, you foolish woman, although this child was born from the wife of one man, through the semen discharged by another, you should maintain him. Upon hearing this, Mamata replied, O Brahaspati, you maintain him. After speaking in this way, Brahaspati and Mamata both left. Thus the child was known as Bharadvaja. Text 39. Chodyamana surairevam matva vitathang atmajam Visrujan maruto abhindran dattoyam vitathi anvaye. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Although encouraged by the demigods to maintain the child, Mamata considered him useless because of his illicit birth, and therefore she left him. Consequently, the demigods known as the Marutas maintained the child, and when Maharaj Bharat was disappointed for want of a child, this child was given to him as his son, purport by Srila Prabhupada. From this verse it is understood that those who are rejected from the higher planetary systems are given a chance to take birth in the most exalted families on this earth planet. Thus end the Bhaktivedanta purports, 9th canto, 20th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled The Dynasty of Puru. This verse says, from this verse it is understood that those who are rejected from the higher planetary system are given a chance to take birth in most exalted families on this planet Earth. Those are born in higher planetary systems, they are demigods. But when they are rejected from that, they fall down here, Earth planet, and get a chance. What is that chance? To get a human birth. Yes, that is chance. Yes, get a human birth. That is chance. And is especially take birth in most exalted families on this planet Earth. So human birth is a chance. Yes. Therefore human birth is considered rarely achieved birth, dullabha manava janma. Demigod birth is not considered rarely achieved birth. You want to be elevated to higher planetary system to have the demigod birth, Golok Vrindavan? No. You have so many material desires you want to enjoy. That is abundant enjoyment available in demigod planet, higher planetary systems. Abundant. You cannot imagine, conceive. So much. And lifespan is very long, one kalpa. You cannot calculate how many years, so many thousand years. One day of Brahma is called one kalpa. Their lifespan is one kalpa. But your lifespan is how many years? 50 years, 60 years, 70 years, 100 years. But how many are surviving for 100 years in Kali Yuga? Very short lifespan. So great, long lifespan available there. So much unimaginable material enjoyment is available. You want it, isn't it? No? Yes, you want. Why say no? You have so many material desires. Many nice, beautiful angels, heavenly girls are able to enjoy there. Yes, very beautiful. Isn't you want that? No. From lips says no, and the heart says yes, 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 isn't it? Heart says yes, yes, lips says no, 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 yes, yes. Krishna knows your heart. You cannot cheat Krishna. If you speak from the lips, Krishna says, he's a cheater, only cheating. And the heart says yes, yes, and lips says no, 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 no. Do you understand? One who is a greedy person, very greedy to eat. So people are sitting there in a line for eating. Food is served. So, greedy person wants to eat more, but it feels ashamed to speak, give me more. No. People will think, what is such a glutton? He eats so much. Then when the person who serves food comes, will you take more, want more? He said, no, 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 but he's... In the heart says yes, but he says, I don't want, give him. Give him means who is sitting just beside him, is close, just give him. I don't want. No, 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 I don't want. No, 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 no. Give him, give him, give him. And he gives him, then he said, give me. He's like that. And Golak Vrindavan is like that. He says, no, 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 I don't want, no, no. He wants. I don't want. Rasikananda wants, I don't want. So this is a chance that to have really achieved human birth. He gets this really achieved human birth here when he is rejected there and falls here in this earth planet and takes a chance, is given a chance to take birth as a human being in an aristocratic family, elevated, exalted family. You understand? This is the chance. The demigod birth is not really achieved birth, human birth is achieved. Because in human birth, only this Paramartha, Krishna Bhakti, Prem Bhakti is available. In demigod birth, they cannot get pure devotion, Prem Bhakti. They have devotion, but it's mixed devotion. Mixed. Karma Misra, Jnana Misra Bhakti. Do you understand? Mixed with karma or jnana, not pure devotion. Demigods, because they have so much opulence, material opulence, they have some controlling power. They control the affairs, some of the affairs of this universal affairs. Therefore they have been given that chance. And so long lifespan. Therefore they are very puffed up. Very puffed up, proud. Yes. Isn't it? Sometimes it so happens that even they defy Supreme Lord. Yes, they defy, because they become intoxicated, become mad after that. Power and position. Yes, power and position. They become mad, intoxicated. They even forget that they have been given this chance by the mercy of the Lord. They defy so many instances. When Krishna stopped Indra Puja, that day we are discussing from 10th canto Bhagavad Krishna book, Govardhana Puja, introduced Govardhana Puja. Indra became angry. Indra became angry. Said, what? This cowherd man, Brajabhumi, hearing a mere boy, stopped my puja. So, I'll teach them a good lesson. Then he became angry, ordered all these, clouds, Ambartaka, Sambartaka, Drona, Sumini, go and pour incident, rain there, inundate, whole Brajabhumi, wash away. Cyclone came, so many clouds came, Megha, torrential, Indra himself came riding on his carrier, Airavat Hasti, thunderbolt, continuously 7 days, there was so heavy outpour, whole Brajabhumi was inundated, but Krishna protected them, left in Giri Govardhan. They were protected, and Indra couldn't do anything. Then at last his pride was crushed. Then he came down and begged apology. Isn't it? So they are puffed up, proud, demigods. To develop pure devotion, especially Prem Bhakti, Mahaprabhu has taught us, Trunadapi sunichena taroriva saisnuna manina manadena kirtanya slavi. One should think himself much humbler than a blade of grass lying on the street. I am the lowest of the low. I am the lowest of the low. If a chronological list will be prepared, number 1, then number 2, number 3, number 4, in this way my name will come bottommost level. Nobody is beyond me. Everybody is above me. That is the mentality. Should be mentality. You understand? That should be the mentality of the person who is very much eager to do Hari Bhajan. You understand? Tunadapi sunichina, taroriva saisnuna, be as tolerant as tree. Amani manada, keep it. Amani manada, don't demand respect. Pay respect to one and all. Krishna Adhisthana, because Krishna is there in the heart of everybody. This should be mentality. With this, developing this mentality, do Hari Bhajan chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Ei mata hiya je Krishna naam loik se Krishna saranita premu pujay. Developing this mentality, you chant Hare Krishna, definitely will get Krishna prema. This is the teaching of Mahaprabhu and Siddhastava. But demigods are very puffed up, proud. They are not humble at all. So there is no chance at all to develop pure bhakti. Only chance is available in human birth. Therefore, human birth is considered really achieved birth, not demigod birth. Labdva sudlavam imam bahusambhavante manasyamarthadam anityam api adhira turnam jateta na patedan mrityu javat nisraya saya visaya kharu sarvatra syat. 11th canto Bhagavatam. You have 11th canto, 9th chapter, 29th verses. After undergoing lots, birth in other spaces, one gets a chance to get the human birth. You understand? One gets a chance to get the human birth. You should understand. Golok Vrindavan, you have already taken birth in lots of other species. You were a dog, you were a hawk, you are a tree, mountain, you are a worm in the stool also. You are an aquatic animal, a beast, tiger, lion, ass. So many births, lots of births already gone. Now, Supreme Lord has given you a chance. Do you understand? He has given you human birth. When human birth is available, chance is available. What is chance? To develop complete Krishna consciousness. To develop pure devotion. That is Paramartha Lava, Krishna Bhakti. Do you understand? That chance is not in any other birth, even demigod's birth, that chance is not there, not to develop pure devotion. Pure devotion only available in human birth. Therefore human birth is considered rarely achieved birth. In this very birth you will get Krishna. Bhaktyam ekagrajya bhaktyam angabhijanati bhaktyastananya labhya. In Gita and Bhagavata, Krishna says, how can one get him? Only by bhakti. Pure bhakti, Suddha bhakti. By pure bhakti, Krishna is available. That means this birth is intended for getting Krishna. To understand Krishna, to get Krishna, to see Krishna. Yes. This is the only purpose of this really achieved human birth. But getting human birth, one who doesn't make any endeavor to develop such Krishna bhakti, pure Krishna bhakti, what is the value of his birth? It's useless. Do you understand? Again, this chance has been given to you a very short time. Very short time. Any moment, death may come. This body will be finished. Who knows? Death may come today. Do you know? Death may come today. Yes, such uncertainty is there. Any moment, very short time, this really achieved body, human body may be finished. The who is intelligent, wise, he should understand this, then he should not even waste one moment of his valuable human time. He should not waste even one moment. Every moment he should utilize how to develop complete Krishna consciousness, how to develop pure devotion. Every moment he should be engaged, should engage every moment of his time. Do you understand? He is intelligent, he is wise. This churnam gapeta na patedana mrityu javat nisraya saya visaya khalu sarva. This visaya bhoga, material enjoyment, sense enjoyment is available any type of body. Body of an aquatic animal, body of an worm, germ, insect, isn't it? Body of a dog, hog, any beast, body of a bird, you see, is available. Is available, yes. But this body is not meant for sense enjoyment or sensual enjoyment or material enjoyment. Body is made for developing complete Krishna consciousness, developing pure devotion, by which you can get Krishna. Do you understand? As long as this Vishwa Sukha, this material enjoyment is available in any type of body, in any planetary systems, without endeavor it is available. Why are you making endeavor? You are a fool. You are a fool, not making endeavor to get material enjoyment, sensual enjoyment. Without endeavor it is available. Any body, any planetary systems. But in other bodies, there is no chance that one can develop complete Krishna consciousness or pure devotion to Krishna. His only chance is available in this human body. Therefore this is known as Durlabha Janma, really achieved birth. In Bhagavata, Many places this has been said. Sadhu Mahajanacharya, they have also said repeatedly. 7th canto Bhagavatam, 7-6. 5th verse says, Tato dateta kusala khemaya bhavamasritaha sariram purusam javanna vipadyeta puskalam. Read translation. 765. What the verse? Tato dateta kusala. Yes.
Therefore, while in material existence,
Mm.
a person fully competent to distinguish wrong from right
Mm.
must endeavor to achieve the highest goal of life.
What is the highest goal of life? What is that? Yes, develop pure devotion to this. Yes. Mm.
As long as the body is stout and strong,
Stout and strong, yes. Very stout, strong body. Huh? This feeble body. Huh? Your body, weak body. No, strong and stout, yes, yes. Huh?
and is not embarrassed by dwindling.
Not embarrassed by dwindling, is dwindling, yes. Dwindling, yes. Dwindling, very strong body. Yes, yes. Bolo. Huh? Yes. Prahlad Maharaj, this is Prahlad Maharaj statement. Prahlad Maharaj says, yes.
Therefore, while in material existence,
Mm.
a person fully competent to distinguish wrong from right
Mm.
must endeavor to achieve the highest goal of life.
Mm.
As long as the body is stout and strong
Mm.
and is not embarrassed by dwindling.
He must make endeavor how to develop pure devotion, complete Krishna consciousness. So not waste even one moment. No, don't waste. Chaitanya Bhagavata says, Javat marana nahi upasanna hoy, tavat seva Krishna karya nischay. As long as death has not come to you, body is strong and stout, take care how to develop complete Krishna consciousness, Krishna bhakti. 11th canto of Bhagavatam also says, Dullava mansa deho dehinam kshana bangura. Mansa deha dullava, this human body is really achieved body, achieved bhav, kshana bangura, but sometime, any moment, it may be finished, death may come, but don't. As long as death has not come, only endeavor a wise man should make how to develop complete Krishna consciousness, how to develop pure devotion. You understand? Indriya sukha, sensual enjoyment, sense gratification, material enjoyment is available in any other body and any planetary system. One should not make any endeavor for that. First canto, 1:5:18, it says, Tallabhyate dukhapadanyata sukham. 1:5:18. Read.
Persons who are actually intelligent
Mm.
and philosophically inclined
Mm.
should endeavor only for that purposeful end,
Mm.
which is not obtainable even by wandering from the topmost planet, Brahmaloka, down to the lowest planet, Patala.
Not available. That bhakti is not available anywhere. It is available in this body. Intelligent man, person should make endeavor for that. Without any endeavor, this material enjoyment is available. Sense enjoyment is available. Do you think the dog makes any endeavor to get it? Hog makes any endeavor to get it? Or a worm in the stool makes an endeavor to get it? So why are you making endeavor to get this material enjoyment? You are a fool. Do you understand? Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur said, Vishaya sukhamanyata prachina karmata eva sarvatra naraka sugara janmadapapi labhyate dukhabhat. Do you want misery? Suffering? Unhappiness? Birth, death, old age and disease, these are miseries. You want it? You don't want, why it comes to you? Though you don't want, still they come to you. Birth comes, death comes, old age comes, isn't it? Disease comes. You don't want, why they come? Because it's already allotted to you according to your prarabdha karma. Understand? Similarly, according to your prarabdha karma, this material enjoyment, whatever is available, definitely will come to you. No need of making an endeavor for it. As miseries come, without endeavor, similarly, the sense enjoyment, material enjoyment will come to you according to the allotment of your prarabdha karma to you. Why are you making endeavor for it? You're a fool. Do you understand? 11th canto, 11:8, chapter, first verse says, Sukham indrakam rajan surge narakaiva cha dehino jajjatha dukham tasman nechate tad buddha. You have this indriya sukha, material enjoyment, material sense enjoyment is available in heavenly planets, even hellish planets also. Yes. As dukkha, the misery, unhappiness, birth, death, old age and disease available, similarly, without endeavor, everywhere, and this material universe in any body, similarly, this indriya sukha, material enjoyment, sensual enjoyment, is available in any body, any planetary systems. You understand? So, one who is wise and intelligent, he should understand that, and he should not make any endeavor for it. Only he should make endeavor how to develop complete Krishna consciousness or pure devotion. This is not available in any body. It is only available in human body. Do you understand? 7.6. Bhagavata 7th canto. This is again Prahlad's statement. 7.6.3. Sukham anjakam daitya dehajogena dehinam sarvatra labhyate daiva jatha dukham adatnata. Yes.
Prahlad Maharaj continued, My dear friends born of demoniac families, the happiness perceived with reference to the sense objects by contact with the body can be obtained in any form of life.
Any form of life, yes. Dark form or hot form of life. A worm in the stool also is available, yes. Huh? Yes.
According to one's past fruitive activity.
According to one's past fruitive activity. It is already allotted to you, yes.
Such happiness is automatically obtained without endeavor.
Without endeavor obtained. Yes, why are you making endeavor? You are a fool. Huh? Fool. Yes.
Just as we obtain distress.
Yes. Nobody wants distress, it comes to you because of your prarabdha karma. Similarly it will come. Do you understand? Huh? Brihadanarya Purana says, Aprarthitani dukkhani jathivayasti dehinam sukhanyapi tadhamanne daivam atratirichyate. Same meaning. Same meaning. Nobody wants misery, unhappiness. It comes according to the allotment of his prarabdha karmas. Similarly, this material enjoyment, sensual enjoyment comes. The wise, intelligent man should not make endeavor for it. Do you understand? 7, 13, 25 verses. Jadruchaya lokamimam prapita karma mir brahman sargapapargaya dvarum tirassang punarasya cha. 7, 13, 25. Abdul says to Prahlad Maharaj. Yes, lokamimam, yes.
In the course of the evolutionary process, which is caused by fruitive activities due to undesirable material sense gratification, I have received this human form of life, which can lead to the heavenly planets, to liberation, to lower species, or to rebirth among human beings.
Arjuna, so you'll reap. If you do some punya karma, pious activity, getting this human body, then you will be headed to him. Heavenly planet, get demigod's body, demigod's birth, so much unimaginable material enjoyment will have. If you commit sinful activity in this body, then pushed down to Naraka planet, hellish planets, isn't it? You suffer there, get punishment from Jamaraj, thousands of years. Do you follow? Then you get lower birth, hog, dog, worm, insect, that birth. Do you understand? But getting this reality human birth, if you develop complete Krishna consciousness, develop devotion, cultivate devotion, then you get Krishna, elevate, go back home, back to Godhead. Do you understand? 10th canto Bhagavatam says also, so many places in Bhagavatam you'll get. Labdva jana durlabhang annatra manusam kathanchid dabhyanga madatnato anagha padar vinnana bhajatya sanmatir guhandha kupe patito tadha pasu. Yeah. 10th canto, 51st chapter. Verse 46 says, Labdha jano durlabhangatra manusam kadanchid bhanga madatna vanagha. Padar vinnana bhajatya sanmatir grahanda kupe patito tadha pasu. Do you understand? Computer. There is a Mutsukanda statement. When one gets this human birth, it is to be understood that you have some sukruti, do you understand? Ajnata, unknown sukruti, that Supreme Lord has given you this birth, human birth, and this you should understand is really achieved birth, dullabha. But getting this birth, who doesn't engage himself in Hari Bhajan, Krishna Bhajan, engage himself rendering loving service unto the lotus feet of Krishna, he is foolish. Do you understand? Rather, he engages himself how to get more and more material enjoyment like animals. Then he becomes entangled in this family affairs. Do you understand? Family circle, family bondage, wife, son, daughter, attachment, very strong material attachment, the griha, the home, that is like a deep, dark well. He falls there, very much attached to it. He is a fool, he is a fool, he is a fool. Do you understand? The Pasu, he is a beast, he is an animal. He cannot be said a human being. Do you understand? Jasya atma buddhi kunape tridhatke sudhi kartradisu bhumujjadhi jatirtha buddhi na kasalle karichit janesva bhigyesu saeva gokhara. That verse is there. Is either gokhara, either a cow or an ass. Who develops this actually the body as self. Jasya atma buddhi kunape tridhatke. This body filled with three dhatus, vata, pitta, kapha, mucus, bile, air, this bag. I think this bag is self, and those who are related to this bag, wife, son, daughter, mine, are not related, others, they say like that. And the land in which the bag is born, body is born, my motherland to be worshipped, say it like that. He cannot be categorized as human being, rather he is categorized as an ass. Either ass or cow. Means animal, beast. Do you understand? Fourth canto, Mahabharata, 433, I will say 23, 423, 28. Savanchito vatatman dhrukritsrena mahata bhuvi labdhapavargyam manusyam vishayesu visajjate.
Any person who engages himself within this material world in performing activities that necessitate great struggle.
Hard struggle for existence, hard struggle, yeah? Day and night toiling hard like an ass. Yes, isn't it? Yes.
And who, after obtaining a human form of life, which is a chance to attain liberty.
This is a chance, yes, you say it.
Which is a chance to attain liberation from misery,
undertakes
the difficult task of fruitive activity, must be considered to be cheated and envious of his own self.
Cheated and envious of his own self who does so. Understand? Yes. So many you'll find. Quotations are there, many places in Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto of Bhagavatam also. Devadatta mimam labdhan loko majitendriya jo nadriyet tatpadav sa sotya yatma vanchagaha. 10:63, verse 41. You have 10:63, 10th canto, 63rd chapter, verse 41. This is Rudra's statement, Shivaji's statement. Devadatta mimam labdhan loko majitendriya jo nadriyet tatpadav sa sotya atma vanchagaha. Rudradev, Shivaji says, offering prayer to Lord. Oh Lord, one was got on this really achieved human birth, but not engaged in your bhajan. This body is meant for Hari bhajan. Getting this relative human body, one who is not engaged in bhajan, Krishna bhajan, Hari bhajan, rather he becomes entangled in sense enjoyment, only runs after how to fulfill the demands of the body, eating, sleeping, defending and mating. Do you understand? It is to be understood that he is cheated. He is cheating himself. He is cheating himself. Atmavanchana. You understand? Cheating himself. So many, in many places, this has been said in Shastra, and you will see we are singing those songs also, Mahajana, Sadhu, Nartam Das Thakur, Hari Hari, you have that. Hari Hari Bifale Janama Goaina, Manusya Janma Paya, Radha Krishna Na Bhajya, Janya Sunya Visakhaina. Yes.
O Lord Hari, I have spent my life uselessly, having obtained a human birth, and having not worshipped Radha and Krishna, I have knowingly drunk poison.
Getting this real absolute human birth, who is not engaged in Radha Krishna bhajan, is deliberately eating poison. Janya sunya visakhain, is wasting, is uselessly wasting his valuable human birth lifetime. Gokuler prem dhana, harinam sankirtana, ratina janmila kene thai. Sansara visanale, divanisi yajole, juraite na koi no upai.
The treasure of divine love in Golok Vrindavan has descended as the congregational chanting of Lord Hari's holy name. Why did my attraction for that chanting never come about?
Why? Why attraction is not coming to it? To chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Why are you not attracted towards it? Golakar Premanana, this don't belong to the material world. It belongs to Golaka Vrindavan. Gaur Nitai, they have brought it here. Yes, so merciful, yes. Bolo.
Day and night my heart burns from the fire of the poison of worldliness.
Yes. So what is the remedy for it? Huh? How can you extinguish that fire? Huh? Fire, poison of worldliness. How can you extinguish it? Huh? How can you extinguish it? Bolo. Huh? Doing Hari Bhajan. If you do Hari Bhajan, then the fire will be extinguished. Do you understand? Yes.
And I have not taken the means to relieve it.
Yes, that is the only means, that you are not taking the means. Brajendra Nandana Jai Sachi Sudha Hilo Sei Balaram Hilo Nitai Dina Hina Jata Chilo Harinai Muddarlo Tarsaki Jogai Madai. Yes.
Lord Krishna, who is the son of the king of Braj, became the son of Sachi, Lord Chaitanya, and Balaram became Nitai. The holy name delivered all those souls who were lowly and wretched. The two sinners, Jagai and Madhai, are evidence of this.
They are evidence. Such. Those who are so degraded, fallen, such sinful persons, they are delivered. They take to this chanting Hare Krishna, getting mercy of Nitai and Gaur. Huh? But you are not taking this chance. Ha ha Prabhu Nanda Sutta, Vrishabhana Sudajita, Karuna Karo ei baar, Narottam Das kohe, na theliya ranga paye, tuma bine kya che hamar.
O Lord Krishna, son of Nanda, accompanied by the daughter of Vrishabhanu, please be merciful to me now. Narottam Das says, O Lord, please do not push me away from your reddish lotus feet. Who is my beloved except for you?
Who is your beloved? Huh? Who is your beloved? Nobody? Nobody beloved? Krishna is not your beloved? You said nobody. In the form of his holy name, Krishna descended here. Kali Yuga, there is no other incarnation, is name incarnation. And this really achieved birth, human birth, is available to you for chanting this Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Nam bhaja, nam chinta, nam karo saat, Ananta Krishna nam mahima upar. Sotavar subarna ko koti kanyadan, tathapi na hoy Krishna namer saman. A bird cannot utter, a dog cannot utter Hare Krishna, hawk cannot utter Hare Krishna, a tree cannot utter. Do you understand? A worm, insect cannot utter, but you can utter. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Unlimited names of Krishna are there, but this name Krishna is very sweet, very sweeter than the sweetest. Yes, sweeter than the sweetest of sweet name. Satavar Suvarna Go, his glory is unlimited. Satavar Suvarna Go Koti Kanyadan Tadhapi na hoy Krishna namer saman. Nothing will be equal to name of Krishna. Do you understand? Even hundreds of cartload gold. Hundreds of cartload gold. Cannot be equal to name Krishna. One name Krishna. Even you may give in charity the hundreds of cartload gold and give in charity koti kanya, crores of virgin girls, virgin girls to marry. If a gross law, you may give in charity crores of virgin girls to marry to a brahmachari. Yes. And when Vaman Dev went to Bali Maharaj, sacrificial arena, you understand? He went as a brahmachari. Bali Maharaj said, "Oh, you seem to be a beggar. You want to beg something from me, isn't it? You are a beggar." Brahmachari means beggar. He begs alms. Oh, you seem to be a beggar. You have come here to beg something from me. You are a poor Brahmin, brahmachari. What do you want? Vamandev said, "I don't want anything. Give me 3 pieces of land. So this tiny bit, this. 3 pieces. Oh, so tiny piece to do this. What do you do with this land? If you want, I'll give up all my kingdom to you. Ask. You are a brahmachari, you want to marry? I'll give you 1 crore of virgin girls to marry. I mean girls you want to marry. 1 crore of virgin girls I'll give you. Want to marry? Huh? One may give such thing, but it cannot be equal to the name of Krishna, Baba. Tadapi naam hai Krishna namer saman. Jai naam say Krishna bhada nishtha kari namer saita ache apani sriyari. The full faith nishtha, you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. The name of Krishna is not different from Krishna. Krishna is there in his name. Do you understand? Krishna naam, Hari naam, badai madhur. Jai jana bhaje Krishna se bada chatur. Name of Krishna, name of Hari is very sweet. Nectarian, sweeter than the sweetest. One who does Krishna bhajan is most intelligent person. Do you understand? Suna suna re bhai naam sankirtana je naam sravane hoy pap vimochana. One should chant and other should hear. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. If this transcendental sound vibration in a pure Vaishnava chant, this comes out from the lips of a pure Vaishnava, pure name, this transcendental sound vibration touches the ear of somebody, that person becomes also delivered. Do you understand? Yes. All your sinful reactions will be destroyed if you hear chanting from the lips of a pure Vaishnava. Transcendental sound vibration. Brahmadi devadar dhyan nahi paay, sedane vanchita hale kiyabe upay. This is dhana. This is invaluable asset. This is bhakti dhana. Do you understand? Bhakti is a dhana, bhakti is an invaluable asset. Prema dhana. Prema. Krishna prema is dhana. Do you understand? Is an invaluable asset. And this is available by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Niraparade naam loile paye prem dhana, mukhya pathe jiva paye Krishna prema dhana. This is the chief result of chanting Hare Krishna is to get Krishna prema. This is an invaluable asset. If our chanting is offenseless, definitely will get Krishna prema, which is an invaluable asset. Even Brahma, demigods headed by Brahma, cannot have it. Cannot have it. And this human birth is available to you, really achieved birth, to earn this asset, this invaluable asset, Krishna prema dhana. In other body, you cannot earn it. This body you cannot. Even demigods headed by Brahma cannot have it. You wasted your real achieved birth. The chance have been given to you out of foolishness. You wasted it. Intelligent man never misses chance. He will never miss. You missed the chance. You never miss. No chance has never. I must take advantage of it. I should not miss it. Do you understand? Bhakti Vinod Thakur and Narottam Das Thakur Premanandas Thakur, they are all Vaishnava. Mahajana Acharyas, they have said. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, you have that. This is Arunodaya Kirtana. Udila Purava Bhage Jamani Gora Amani Jage. Bolo. Bhakta Samuha Loya Sathe Gela Nagar Braje. Bhakta Samuha Loya Sathe Gela Nagar Braje. Tathai Bajelo Kolo Ghana Ghana Thai Jhanjira Rolo. Dhimi dhala dhala sonara anga charanenu pura baje. Dhimi dhala dhala sonara anga charanenu pura baje. Mukunda madhava jadava hari bole na bolo re badana bhari. Mukunda madhava jadava hari bole na bolo re badana bhari. Ichhe nidra bose gelo re raat divas sharira saje. Ichhe nidra bose gelo re raat divas sharira saje. E mana dullabha manava de আইয়া কি করো ভাবনা কে হয়ে মন দুর্লভ মানব দেহ। এবে না বুঝিলে যশোদা সুত চরমে পড়িবে লাজে। এবে না বুঝিলে যশোদা সুত উদিত তপন হইলে দিন গেল বলি হইবে ব্যস্ত। উদিত তপন হইলে তবে কেন এবে অলস হই নাব হৃদয় রাজে। তবে কেন এবে অলস জীবন নিত্য জান সার তাই নানাবিধ বিপদ ভার। জীবন নিত্য জান সার নামাশ্রয় করি যতনে তুমি থাকো আপন কাজে। নামাশ্রয় করি যতনে তুমি থাকো আপন কাজে। জীবের কল্যাণ সাধন কাম জগতে আসিয়ে মধুর নাম। জীবের কল্যাণ সাধন কাম অবিদ্যা তিমির তপন রূপে হৃদয় গগনে বিরাজে। অবিদ্যা তিমির কৃষ্ণ নাম সুধা করিয়া পান জুড়াও ভক্তি বিনোদ প্রাণ। নাম সুধা করিয়া পান নাম বিনা কিছু নাহি কো আর 14 ভুবন মাঝে। নাম বিনা কিছু নাহি কো আর 14 ভুবন মাঝে। নাম বিনা কিছু নাহি কো আর 14 ভুবন মাঝে। হরি নাম বিনা নাম বিনা কিছু নাহি কো আর 14 ভুবন মাঝে। হরি নাম বলো।
when the eastern horizon becomes tinged with the redness that heralds the rising of the sun, the jewel among the Brahmanas, Lord Gaurasunda, immediately awakened. Taking his devotees with him, he journeyed through the towns and villages of Nadia.
Doing Sankirtan, huh? We are doing now in month of Kartik. Are you joining? Huh? You are lazy. Lazy, isn't it? Why are you becoming lazy? Join Nagar Sankirtan. We are doing 1 month, huh? Kartik month. Early in the morning, just after Mangala Arati, Tulis Puja, they go out. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Mahaprabhu was doing that. Huh? Mahaprabhu set up that example, taking his devotees, he gets out, huh? Straight doing Nagar Sankirtan. So join, yes, then all your ailments will go. You are becoming lazy. Therefore, so many ailments there, huh? Laziness, yes.
Mridangas resounded, tatai, tatai, in quick succession, and the cymbals chimed in tune, in time. Lord Gauranga's golden form slightly trembles in ecstatic love of Godhead, and his footbells jingle.
So sweet, nice, huh? Yes.
Lord Chaitanya calls out to the townsfolk, you spend your nights uselessly sleeping, and your days decorating your bodies.
Yes.
Now just fill your mouths with the holy names, Mukunda, Madhava, Yadava and Hari.
Yes.
Chanting without offense.
Without offense, chant his names, Mukunda, Madhava, Yadava, Hari. Wow, how are you spending your daytime and night time, he says, huh? Night time you spend sleeping, uselessly sleeping. Daytime, take caring a body, huh? With soap, taking bath, isn't it? Then standing before mirror, combing hair, moustache, isn't it? Snow, powder, lipstick. Ladies put on lipstick, isn't it? Put on coat, pant, tie. Yes. So in this way you're wasting time. Huh? Just taking care of this nasty body. Huh? The clump of dead matter only. Huh? Yes.
You have achieved this rare human body.
Rare human body you have achieved, yes.
Don't you care for this gift?
Such a gift is available to you. It's a wonderful stone. What are you doing? You are throwing it into mud. Yes. Throwing it into mud. Yes. That's wonderful stone, this body. Yes.
If you do not worship the darling of Mother Yasoda,
if you want to do bhajan, Krishna bhajan, the darling of Mother Yasoda, huh? Yasoda Sutta, huh? What will happen?
Then great sorrow awaits you at the time of your death.
Yes, sorrow, waiting for you at the time of death, yes.
With every rising and setting of the sun, a day passes and is lost. Why then do you remain idle and do not serve the Lord of the heart?
Yes.
You should understand this essential fact. Life is temporary and filled with various kinds of misery.
Various kinds of miseries, yes. Taye nana vida vipada bhara. This, for the short time, this is real body, birth is available to you. And so many miseries are there, sufferings there. Every step there's danger here in this material world. Pade pade vipadam. You should understand, yes.
Therefore, carefully take shelter of the holy name.
Yes.
And remain always engaged in his service as your eternal occupation.
Eternal occupation, yes.
Desiring to shower benedictions upon all living entities, this sweet name of Krishna has descended to this material universe.
This sweet name. Krishna Nama is so sweet. Do you understand? Can you relish sweetness? No. Why? So sweet, sweeter than the sweetest. Madhuram, madhuram metam. Madhuram, madhuram metam. Sakala nigambali. Sat phalam. Chit swarupam. So sweet. You can't relish sweetness. Then why are you surviving? Better to die. Yeah. Narottam Thakur says, Kenava achoy pran ki sukalabhya, Narottam Dasa kena nagelo maria. For what happiness? For what happiness you are surviving? Golok Vrindavan. Why are you surviving? For what happiness? To eat stew like a hog? Saying yes, shameless person. Has he said? Shameless. He said yes. To eat stew like a hog. Kenava pran kisukalape Narottam Dasa kena namagala maria. Narottam Das Thakur says, why Narottam Das will survive? For what happiness? Better to die. If I cannot relish the sweetness there, in such sweet nectarian name, Krishna, then why shall I survive? Better to die. You understand? Better to die. Why are you surviving? Better to die. Madhura, madhura, metan, mangalam, mangalanam, sakala nigambali satpalam, chitsarupam, sakrudapi parigita, sadhaya, hrayaba bhrugavaro. Naramatra Tarit Krishna. The name Krishna is sweeter than all the sweetest sounds. Yes, sweeter than the sweetest, more auspicious than the most auspicious things. Best fruit, this is the best fruit of Vedic creeper like Vedas. So called Nigambali, Veda like creeper. This is the best fruit of that creeper. Transcendental by nature. Yes. The last thing in Veda is name of Krishna is last thing. You understand? Sakala nigambali satphala. You understand? And it's sweeter than the sweetest. Why don't you relish the sweetness, nectarian? Therefore he says, Jagate asya madhur naam avidyatimira tapana rupe hrud gagane viraj.
And shines like the sun in the sky of the heart, destroying the darkness of ignorance. Without the holy name, there is nothing within all the 14 worlds.
Yes, nothing there, all 14 planetary systems without the holy name.
Drink the pure nectar of the holy name of Krishna.
Yes.
And thus satisfy the soul of Thakur Bhaktivinoda.
Satisfy the soul of Bhaktivinoda, satisfy your own soul. Your own soul. Then Bhaktivinoda will be happy. Yes. Yes, that is the purport. Follow. Acharyas, they have said, this is Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Premanand Thakur also says, so many Acharyas, they have said this. They have said, E mana ki lagi ili bhave, e mana jana me harina bhajili, se tui manusa kove, e mana jana me harina bhajili, se tui manusa kove. O mind, speaking to the mind, O mind, why you have come here? You have gotten such a birth, really achieved birth, Manus Janma, human birth, but not chanting Hare Krishna. Why have you come here? Oh mind, do you understand? Are you a human being? Are you a human being? But not chanting Hare Krishna? What are you? You are not a human. Why have you come here? Manus akar hoile ki hoy. Manus akar hoile ki hoy. Ara bhutera kama. Manus hoile ki hoy. Karaha bhutero kama Maile bodani Kenana bolo Sri Krishna Govinda nama Maile bodani Sri Krishna Govinda nama. You have only human form, Baba, isn't it? But your activities are like that of a ghost. Yes. Yeah, your form is human form, but your activities are like that of a ghost. Otherwise, why you are not chanting Sri Krishna Govinda? Huh? Huh? Why not chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Getting this, they are achieved by Himan Bhatman. Don't chant Hare Krishna. His activities are like that of a ghost. You understand? Pakhire je namo loai le lo. Sarisu ko adi ko to pakhire je Sarisu ko adi Tumi je ihate alasya karo e hoye ke mana moto Tumi je ihate alasya karo e hoye ke mana moto. Oh mind, stupid mind. Even a parrot says Krishna, Krishna. Yes, isn't it? The bird says, you are not saying. You are such a lazy fellow, a very lazy fellow. Yes, not getting up, not chanting Hare Krishna. What is this? You understand? Divasara jani abolo tabolo pachalo parite paro divasara taro bhitore kokono kono ki govinda boliche naro taro bhitore Kakana kena ki Govindo bolite na. What are you doing day and night, 24 hours? What are you doing day and night, 24 hours? Chattering like a monkey? Yeah, sitting, chatting, chattering like monkey, apple, tabble, pachal, gossiping. Nonsensical, gossiping, doing, isn't it? But you are not uttering name of Govinda. Do you understand? What are you? Why have you come here to this? Are you a human being? Oh, mind. You are not uttering name of Govinda. Krishna, Govinda, Nama. Do you understand? Saying to his mind, stupid mind. Bhajiba boliye kahiya aili bolili ki sukha paiye Bhajiba kahiya aili bolili ki sukha paiye Bujhino abaro samana nagare narake majibi jaiye Bujhino abaro samana nagare narake majibi jaiye. Hey, when you are in mother's womb, you have given words to Krishna that this time I will never forget you, I will do your bhajan. Isn't it? Yes, that is all mentioned in Bhagavatam. Kapila Dev says, in Chaitanya Bhagavatam also, Premanand Thakur says, Mahajan say, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, quoting Mahaprabhu's words, isn't it? What Mahaprabhu says? জীব জাগো গোরা চাঁদ বলে, জীব জাগো কত নিদ্রা যাও মায়া পিশাচির কোলে, কত নিদ্রা যাও মায়া পিশাচির কোলে। ভজিব বলিয়া এসে সংসার ভিতরে, ভজিব বলিয়া এসে সংসার ভিতরে, ভুলিয়া রইলে তুমি অবিদ্যার ভরে, ভুলিয়া তোমার লইতে আমি হইন অবতার, তোমার লইতে আমি বিনা বন্ধু আর কে আছে তোমার, আমি বিনা বন্ধু আর কে আছে তোমার। এনেছি ঔষধি মায়া নাসিবার লাগি, এনেছি ঔষধি মায়া নাসিবার লাগি। হরে কৃষ্ণ মহামন্ত্র লেও তুমি মাগি, হরি নাম মহামন্ত্র হরি নাম মহামন্ত্র লেও তুমি মাগি, হরি নাম মহামন্ত্র। ভকতি বিনোদ প্রভু চরণে পড়িয়া, ভকতি বিনোদ সেই হরি নাম মন্ত্র লইল মাগিয়া, সেই হরি নাম। Quoting Mahaprabhu's words, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, জীব জাগো গোরা চান্দ বলে, কত নিদ্রা যাও মায়া পিশাচির কোলে। Wake up! Wake up, O jivas, wake up! How long will you sleep in the lap of Maya, ugly witch Maya? How long will you sleep? Huh? Already you have slept lots of lives. Huh? You want more? No. You want more. He's not satisfied. Huh? Sleeping so long time, lots of lives, in the lap of ugly witch Maya, you are not satisfied? Not? Not satisfied. You want to sleep more and snore, isn't it? Lap of Maya. Sleep more and snore. It's very nice lap. It's a bed of roses. Maya's lap. No? Horny. Bed of thorns. Not pricking you. Pricking. Mahaprabhu, who is your well-wishing friend? Amma bina bandhu aar kya ache tomar? Is there any friend of yours but me? Your friend says, wake up, wake up, wake up. How long will you sleep in the lap of Maya, ugly witch Maya? Bhajiva boli ase sansar bhitre bhuliya roile. You have come here to do bhajan, Baba. When you are in mother's womb, you have given words to Krishna. Oh Lord, please deliver me from this painful situation. This time I'll never forget you. I'll do your bhajan. You have given these words. You have given your words. You have forgotten now. I am a well-wishing friend. I am reminding you. I am reminding. Mahadana is reminding you. That's it. Bhajiva boliye, kohya hoili, bhulili ki sukho paiye. Premanand Das Thakur says, I had given words to Lord when I was in mother's womb, very painful situation. This time I'll never forget you, O Lord. I'll do your bhajan. But I forget. I forget. Why I forget? For what sukha, what happiness? Budhinu avar saman nagare narake majibjaya. Then I understand that. Again I'll go to abode of Jamaraj. Again I'll fall on dreadful Naraka, hellish planets. Suffer there, I think so. You understand? If you want do Hari Bhajan, you become lazy. Yes, you become lazy. Alosoya. Not engaged in Hari Bhajan, definitely again you go to hellish planets, suffer there. Badana bhariya Hari Bala jadi kheti na hoibe tai, koi pramanda. Say, tobe se nitanta, edave kudanta dai. So, chant with open mouth, loudly, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Is there any loss in it? Loss is all gain. No loss at all, it's all gain. Premananda Thakur said, one who don't do so, definitely go to hellish planet, suffer there, abode of Jamaraj. But this real Yachiriman Bhat is available to you for doing Hari Bhajan and go back home, back to Godhead. No more come to this material world and get a birth again and suffer here. All right. Thank you very much.